Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the parcel post puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Jean-Claude Constantin, a famous French puzzle designer who lives in Germany. Difficulty level of the parcel post puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to remove all parts from the frame, which will be very easy to do, but then you have to assemble them back inside the frame. This puzzle has 18 parts, most of them have different sizes, some of them are exactly the same. All parts are made from laser cut wood, from different kinds of wood. And as you can see, at first glance, you have plenty of space inside of the frame and some of the parts that you can fit inside of this frame. But once you start solving the puzzle, you will find that it only looks easy, but you will find that the less parts you have left, the more difficult it is to put parts inside the frame. Like you can see, I was able to put the first layer and it looks nice. Then I add some parts to the next layer and I already see some gaps. I can add more parts and there is only one layer left, but you will see that when I have no space, there will be still some of the parts left that I have no idea how to put now. There are gaps and there are extra parts, so it will be quite a difficult puzzle since there are 3 layers of parts and you have to find a correct spot for each and every piece, and only then you will be able to solve this puzzle. If you like the parcel post puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.